Welcome to day 20 of our May Reset Challenge. Did you wake up feeling off, like your body's dragging behind your mind? When your joints feel tight and your breath feels shallow, it's not a motivation issue, it's a rhythm issue. Let's bring your body back online with movement that's sharp, intentional, and full of breath. Let's hit the mat. This isn't just a warm-up, it's your body's ignition switch. When your hips are locked, your energy stays stuck. This opens the first gate. Lift one knee high, rotate it outward or inward like you're drawing a circle with your thigh. Step down and repeat for 30 seconds. Keep it fluid, controlled. This isn't about speed. You're going to switch sides after 30 seconds. Feel the opening deep in the hip joint and warmth spreading through your core. I promise this move fires up your balance, posture, and pelvic mobility all in one. It's how we go from slow to switched on. Most people forget that tight hips can actually drain energy. This fixes that at the root. Can you make the circle wider on the second round without losing balance? Do you feel your body starting to wake up? If not, slow down. Control unlocks more than momentum ever will. That just opened the door. Now let's walk through it and stretch into depth. This is where flexibility meets real-world function. If you've ever felt tight, stepping sideways, or sitting too long, this will explain why. Step wide, shift your weight into the right leg, bending at the hip and knee. Left leg stays straight, foot grounded. Feel the deep stretch in your inner thigh. Return to center and switch sides. Move like you're scanning for space inside your body. I promise this opens up your groin, strengthens the hips, and releases tension that steals power from your legs. Adductors, inner thighs, are one of the most commonly neglected muscle groups and one of the biggest contributors to knee pain. Drop an inch deeper. Hold 5 seconds. Breathe into the tension. It's temporary. That just woke up your foundation. Now let's stack posture on top of it. Low lunges aren't just a stretch. You're about posture with intention. This is where power meets breath. Step your left foot back, toes angled out. Bend your front knee, reach your arms overhead. Reach your back heel, lift your chest, keep your hips square. Switch sides at 30 seconds. I promise this stretch balances strength with openness. You'll feel your breath and your center planted. Now that the big chains are aligned, we're shifting into rhythm with the shoulders. Can you pause mid-breath and lengthen through the ribs? Try it, 5 seconds on each side. Are you reaching from your arms or lifting from your spine? That just aligned your spine with your hips. Now let's open the top half for real. We end grounded, literally. The stretch connects your fingertips to your feet and your breath to your spine. Step wide, inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold and reach for your right toes. Return to center. Switch sides. Keep the movement slow and rooted. You're going to feel a long stretch through your hamstrings, calves, and lower back. Breath softening tension on every pass. I promise this decompresses your spine, wakes up your core, and grounds your nervous system. On your last 2 reps, can you touch the floor with control and no bounce? Go for it. Are you folding from your hips or collapsing from your back? That just grounded your entire body. Now you're aligned, warmed up, and clear. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, If your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day Reset Rhythm experience. It's the same rhythm, but deeper, with daily support, weekly themes, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.